This video contains content that may be confronting.
23-year-old Tom Silvagni appeared at Victoria's County Court for a pre-sentencing hearing today where the woman he raped detailed the serious and lasting impacts the attack had on her life. This morning, she told the court of the terror she felt when Silvagni held her arms behind her back and raped her before pretending to be her boyfriend. She said the attack had caused her to be diagnosed with PTSD, that she now frequently suffers from panic attacks, and that the rape had caused her to lose friends and forced her to defer her studies and take time off work. Your actions that night have changed the way I trust, she said, the way I sleep and the way I move through the world now. I lost a version of myself that night, a version I will never fully get back. Now, Silvagni was found guilty of 2 counts of rape last week, but his identity was only made public this week after a suppression order was lifted. Today, he was supported once again by his parents, former AFL star Stephen Silvagni and TV presenter Joe Silvagni, where they spoke publicly outside court for the very first time, saying that they're disappointed by the verdict and that they're planning to appeal.
Our son continues to maintain his innocence, and we stand firmly behind him. We will be considering our options to appeal and shall not be making any further comments on this case. Our goal is to clear his name and bring him home. We ask for our privacy and to be respectful.
Tom Silvagni's lawyers today sought leniency for their client, telling the court that he had excellent prospects for rehabilitation and that a term of imprisonment would have serious adverse impacts on his mental health. But prosecutors argued that Silvagni's actions demonstrated a lack of empathy and sense of entitlement, describing the rape as a calculated deception from start to finish. Now, in Victoria, the maximum penalty for rape is 25 years in prison, with a charge carrying a standard sentence of 10 years. Tom Silvagni will be sentenced on Wednesday.
If you or anyone you know was affected by this video, please contact Lifeline on 13 11 14 or 1-800-RESPECT, 1-800-737-732.